Hello and welcome back. Today I'll be showcasing a cool project I made, which can turn every single frame of a video into low poly art. To show you what I'm talking about, I'm going to be showing you two videos side by side. The left video is the original video, and the right video is the video that's a result of this program. Now that you've seen what I'm talking about, let's get into how this code works. There are three parts to how this program works. You need to first get the frames of the videos, you need to apply a low poly filter to every single frame, and then you need to combine all of those frames back into one video. So this is the first part. We're taking every single frame from the video which is downloaded for this file path. We're going through every single frame and we're storing it under a folder called output. And I'm going to show you why we're going to be needing this. All of these images has a file path, and we're going to be using these file paths as the parameter for the low poly filter. And that brings us to this step, actually applying a low poly filter to each step. This code was taken from Samuel Hinton's website. I suggest you check it out. I will put a link in the description. It's amazing and you should check out his other projects. But for now, what we're interested in is making this a function with a parameter we can pass. So instead of having each individual file path, we make this a parameter. And instead of saying for I in range 0 to 100, we just put a singular number, so it doesn't go through every single image it could possibly make. We're going to set our I equal to 40 for now. If you want a clearer image, set your I to a higher number. If you want it to just be less detail and triangles, set it to a lower number. But we're going to set that as our function here. And then this is the important part of the code. 158 represents the amount of frames that we have. And we're just going to be going through every single frame. As you can see here, we're passing the file path as a parameter. So I equals 0, that represents this file path over here. That's going to go through and apply the filter to every single image. And when we're done with that, it's going to save all of these low poly art images under a new folder called vids, not videos, VIDS. And as you can see here, every single frame here is low poly art. Now what are we going to do with that? First, we need to sort all of this. As you can see here, it's not in order. 138, 139, 14, 149, 15. We need to put in order. This here just sorts through the entire list and puts it in order. And just the final part. We have to convert all of this into one video. Now that we have all the frames, all we have to do is use the CV2 video writer, set our frames per second, and make the video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section down below. Otherwise, goodbye.